Welcome back. This is more like what we're used to seeing. Absolutely no sun. We just got bombed with a big snowstorm. We had a bunch of ice before that. Everything is just covered in ice. I just dug this out. All right, so I had came inside and it was super dark in there. So I came out here and stood up on my hay bales and basically just cleared this whole top off to allow sunlight to get to my fan. My fan was not running, but our water was still running inside here. Whew. The water's been running all night on our timer here. This saved our butt last night because we got so much thick snow that this morning this fan was not running when I came out here. So I had to get some sunlight to its little solar panel. And the sun is behind all of those clouds. There is not any sunshine directly, but just clearing the snow and ice off allowed enough rays to get through to turn this fan on and start blowing warm air through our compost there. And it is actively heating it because everything's melting now. All of this is melting because the hot air is rising up to the top here. I just thought this was very cool, and I wanted to share that this hot water saved our butt last night because all of these sprouts here are sitting on top of these stones, which are heated on each side by this water running underneath it, actively heating and saving our plants at nighttime. It got very cold last night and all of these plants are alive in here that were getting heated by the floor. This little greenhouse worked well. We had very, very cold negative temperatures before we got all of this snow and ice dumped on us. So we were worried about all of our plants dying and freezing up in here. But as you can see, everything is very much alive. We've got some little broccoli here. All this lettuce is nice and I just came out here early morning and wanted to check on all this because of all the snow and ice and the very frigid temperatures we had before that. We're sitting about 50 degrees in here, just under 50 degrees right now. And it's early morning. We just wanted to come out and clear all the snow off. We just went out and cleaned the chicken run up and got them some fresh ground to run around in because they had about a foot of snow from the last 2 snows we've got. So out of all the growing methods we've used, our double poly and our compost heated cold frame and our greenhouse that we're actively heating with compost, this by far is the best experiment we've done. It not only allows us to grow tons of food in here and continually sprout and have experiments going all winter here, we are able to come out here and warm up. I came out, this fan wasn't running, all I had to do was clear some snow, and now it is actively heating and cycling air through our greenhouse. If this water was outside our greenhouse, it would be frozen solid. This is awesome. We have flowing water all the time through our greenhouse, actively heating the floor. I just wanted to share all of our experiments, ups and downs. This was a rough morning. We've been busy working through all the snow, trying to clean everything up, but I wanted to come out and I wanted to show everybody that we are successful in the winter time here. These systems are saving us time after time. When one's not running, the other one's constantly running. Even with little sunlight in the winter here, we're achieving very good temperatures. It's 50 degrees in here right now, and it was about 40 when I came in first thing this morning, right as the sun was coming up. No active heat from the sun, no passive heating, just what we achieve in here. I want to thank everybody for watching these videos. If anybody has any questions on anything we are doing in here, please feel free to drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.